Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Authenticator app for Binance. So first, open your Binance and go to your profile. Here under your profile, you will see security, tap this one. And then here under security, you will see this Authenticator application. All you have to do is to click this one. You can also see other options here like passkey, email, and password. But what you're going to do is click Authenticator application. Tap this, and then you can read the following information here and then click enable. Once you tap enable, and then what you're going to do next, verify your email address. So they will send a code to your email and you have to paste it here. Click submit. And this is what it looks like. Here you see link and authenticator. All you have to do is to simply save this one or copy. It's very important to save this one or copy this one. And below you can also see the information and instruction. So you just have to follow this. After that, what you're going to do next is you have to click this next button below. And once you tap next, then you will see this verify authenticator. So we're going to paste that code that we can get from our Google Authenticator. But unfortunately, I cannot screen record my Google Authenticator due to privacy purposes. But this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to click add. And then you can type or enter a title, for example, Binance. Then you can paste the code there. And then after that, click add. Then it will take you directly to another page where you can see the code for that Binance. And what you're going to do is copy that one and go back to your Binance application and paste it. Same as this. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.